Want to know how to send files in Google Chat? Well, no worries. So sending any attachment or file is super simple that you can do easily, whether it's your direct messages or your spaces. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you simply open up your Google Chat application or the website. So you should be right here, and on the left side you should be seeing your spaces or direct messages. So you can just simply open up any one of these. I'm just going to open direct messages for now, and adding file is super simple. Here you should be seeing this small upload icon. You can just simply see the upload file icon popping up, just simple like that. And now here you should be seeing your file explorer opening up as well. So you can just simply browse through your files and send file easily, just like this right here. Select send or select enter, and your file should be sent, and you can just simply add file just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.